There are a few things that are useful to know for keeping your battery in top condition. The first tip is to get into the habit of regularly charging your EQ at home with a wall box charger. Charging at home is not only cheaper than using a public charging station, it also uses lower current, which helps to keep your battery at maximum efficiency for longer. Of course, it's absolutely fine to use higher power charging stations whenever you need to, but getting into the habit of charging regularly at home keeps running costs lower and can help to optimise battery efficiency over the long term. This is true for plug-in hybrids too. And when it comes to rapid DC charging, it's faster and more efficient if you set the maximum charge level to 80%. Limiting rapid DC charging to 80% keeps you within the optimum charging range where there's less electrical resistance in the battery. This reduces charging time and charging costs. It also helps your battery to remain as efficient as possible in the long term. And one last thing, if you're planning to leave your car unused for any length of time, try to avoid leaving it either fully charged or completely empty. Maintaining a charge somewhere between 20% and 50% will keep your battery in top condition, especially if you're not going to use your car for a while. It's recommended that you use a wall box charger for charging at home and to charge your EQ overnight when electricity is cheaper. Another useful tip is to keep your EQ in a garage overnight if you can, particularly during cold weather when the outside temperature can affect your driving range. Set your maximum charge level to 80% for everyday use and 100% when you need to maximise your driving range for longer journeys. Leaving your car fully charged or completely empty for long periods may affect the long-term health of your battery. If you don't intend to use your car for any length of time, charge the battery to between 20% and 50%, which you can do by setting the maximum battery charge level in MBUX. By adopting an economical driving style and using the D-Auto recuperation mode with either the max range, Eco or E+ driving mode, you will ensure that you get the best range out of your EQ. Using the pre-entry climate control to prepare your car in winter or summer while it's still on charge saves your battery energy. The navigation system in a Mercedes EQ is optimised to make driving electric as easy as possible, and many of the car's energy-saving features depend on it to operate effectively. It's recommended that you use it for all your journeys, even the ones you know well.